Hello, everybody. Welcome to this Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Frank, and I think we have a full stay or something. Hi, everybody. How's everybody doing? Here we are at home on a Sunday. What's wrong?
Why? Because this is a Sunday cooking class. We are home on a Sunday.
Yeah, they were that weird. Anyway,
Okay, fine.
So today we're gonna do pasta, but we're gonna do pasta for this moment of the year. We're doing with pumpkin. Okay, your uncle, her uncle.
Well, my uncle has like an orchard, and he grows,
he has a great orchard.
Well, he has an orchard, and I don't know, he plants pumpkins. I don't know why. I mean, I hate pumpkins.
I love pumpkins. That's a difficult word for me today.
Maybe.
I think I had
too
much glass of wine.
Yeah, no wine,
No
but
good.
it doesn't matter. So the thing is that we have pumpkins all over in the fridge. I mean, and then when I get rid of that thing, then I
More
get...
come.
No, actually, I'm fussy with pumpkins. I like some of them, but not all of them.
So what we're gonna do a dressing for the pasta with pumpkins. Okay,
But that one is super
good. It's easy, easy.
Checked by me.
Approved by Ainhoa.
Approved.
No, it's really good. It's sweet but salty and
It's nice.
it's very good. So
Okay, so it's easy as always.
shall we?
Let's go.
Okay, so let's go. Let's start with our pumpkin dressing for the pasta. Okay, let me turn the camera around. The camera, who do we have here? Who have I planned? Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I am a Star Wars freak. I love Star Wars. And I have little figures of Star Wars. Okay, so what are we doing today? First of all, let's start with the pasta.
Yeah, so we are making a pumpkin pasta sauce. Very simple.
So for that, you need to have the pasta ready. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, we already have the water boiling like crazy. And we are going to have the pasta starting.
Pasta with places to keep the sauce.
Yeah, so you need pasta with some type of dents. Let me see if I
This
can.
actually is a radiatore.
There we go, radiatore. Okay,
Right.
so let's start. So you just put the pasta in salty water and, well, check on the box how long it takes. And then think that for the dressing, it's very easy. You need pumpkin. We have cut it in small pieces. You are going to need thyme. If you don't have thyme, you can put rosemary. Add some feta cheese, okay? And then you are going to need olive oil, salt, and a little bit of water, okay? So, how do we do it?
How do we... Super difficult, huh?
Super complicated.
Super complicated.
This one is very difficult.
You need, what do you need?
Oven-proof.
Baking tray.
Okay.
And, well, you can use, I'm using feta cheese, but you can use camembert cheese. Any cheese that is gonna melt, right?
There we go.
So, and then we are going to use my uncle's pumpkin.
He's so proud that you're using it.
I mean, I like this pumpkin. This is violin pumpkin.
Yeah, it is a very, very, very good pumpkin. It's, how do you call it? Is this like squash pumpkin or?
I don't know. I just
I don't know.
I know the name in Spanish is like violin pumpkin.
Cuidado, be careful with the water.
Oh,
I just saw it with the corner of my eye.
wow. It's good that you saw it. So you have to move the pasta from time to time. So so what do I say? It's a kind of pumpkin because we peeled it.
Yes.
That has got like this color of the skin outside, and then you peel it. It's not. You can even bake it without peeling it. But just in case.
Yeah, I think it's better if you peel it.
So when we make soups or when we make creams, then maybe we don't peel it. But for the pasta, I was not sure.
Yeah. Because the thing is that it's not a... Well, you gotta say it. Anyway.
Yeah, anyway.
So you put...
Not too much salt. The cheese is already salty enough.
Yeah, I mean the cheese, the feta cheese is preserved in brine. So it is salt water, so it is quite salty, so it doesn't need a lot of salt. Always you can correct it at the very end. You put a little bit of olive oil.
We're going to put thyme. We like it.
Yeah, super good.
But you can use rosemary, whatever. I think that will be enough.
Okay. And then
and I add a bit of water. So, and then I'm going to bake this for, depends on the pumpkin, but I would say half an hour, it's okay.
half an hour, 40 minutes.
And then you can add a bit more water if you think that it's going to be needed. Sorry, I'm going to move the pasta.
So it doesn't stick.
Doesn't stick.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in the oven, and as you can imagine, we're not gonna wait for half an hour because we have done that homework a moment ago. Right?
Well,
so
a moment ago, like an hour ago.
for 45 minutes ago. So that in 45 minutes in the oven is going to be
Like
this. Okay? So this is what you want. From here, what we need to do is remove the thyme. Okay? So as I know it's getting the oven, let me oh, I'm not fireproof like you are.
No, you're not. Okay, I'm going to. Okay. Well, it's quite hot.
It is hot. Okay, just a little bit here. Ouch.
It's okay. You can leave it there.
Okay, so this is it. What now you need to do? We have a friend who pass it on the blender. Sometimes we pass it on the blender. Sometimes we leave it a little bit more chunky. Most of the times we rather.
We forgot the thingy.
We forgot the mashed potato thingy, which is today
it's a must.
pumpkin smasher. Okay, so what you just need to do is smash it, but don't work it too much, okay? Because the fun of it is to find chunks, and it's easier if you find chunks into it, okay? It's more, I don't know, it gets all the flavors and the whole thing. And you need to be aware that, how long do we still have for the pasta?
A couple of minutes.
A couple of minutes. Okay, perfect. So you need to, we know it looks very dry, but we're gonna pass the pasta here with a lot of liquid. So it's going to
liquefy
a little bit. All of this is becoming a little bit more creamy. You have on that side, there we go. I think, okay.
Yeah, it's
okay, it's good.
soft enough.
Okay. So you just have to roast the pumpkin and then mix it with the
pasta?
with the cheese.
With the cheese? Super nice. I mean, I was telling you I don't like pumpkin too much, but I do like this, so it's approved.
It's
approved by me.
Super, super good. So,
right, so let's see. I have to come closer to my pasta. For 1 more minute.
So let me move things around and let me see if, okay, gets that over there.
I mean, if you want, you can prepare this and then bake it in the oven again. But then you make sure that the pasta is not overcooked. Maybe if you cook it like a couple of minutes less, that's okay.
So for us today, we're gonna eat it. Our friends, Javier and Cristina, are coming right away. I mean, probably they're already in the elevator, or almost here. So you don't need the pasta has to be al dente, normal. But if you are going to wait for it, okay, I think I'm back. Sorry, I don't know what happened. So we bake it and we put it in the oven, okay? So if you're gonna do that, it needs to be like a minute or a minute and a half less than what is required. More or less.
More or less. Yeah, because otherwise it's like...
Okay, so what is important, you don't strain the pasta super good and leave it. No, don't do that. Because you want the liquid that it's made into the pasta, okay? You need to have it to make the sauce, okay? So that's why that is getting...
And then if you need more, then you add a bit more water. Yeah. Maybe this needs a bit, this is hot now.
It's hot, be careful, yeah.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah,
As everything is super hot, then I think it needs a bit more water. Okay, let me. So it's not so good. Then you need to rectify
the salt or anything.
Salt. I've tried it, so this one is good. But
okay.
Let's see. Ooh. So so you serve it straight ahead. I mean, I would add a bit of olive oil to this. So.
But I normally we put the olive oil just to serve it all the way at the end, no?
Yeah. And once it's served, you can. Would know what I would do is I would add some chives to this pasta also. Chives.
Oh,
the
chives.
herbs.
Okay, I'm like chips. I'm like, what do you
No,
mean
herbs.
chips?
Yeah, like this has got a bit of thyme, but the cheese. So I'm not going to move it anymore.
So, let me make a zoom into this. Look at that beautiful feta cheese and pumpkin pasta. It is beyond.
It's beyond good.
Good. Let me turn the camera around. Hi. So yes, we are done. As you can see, it's easy pasta.
Super easy.
Super easy. You just need to have everything
ready.
I
mean, you can bake that in the oven and then make the pasta last minute, and then you're done.
Yeah. So it's easy. It's good. It's super flavorful. It's almost healthy.
It's healthy.
Are you? Oh, thanks. I don't want any.
You don't want any?
I do.
Do you want?
Is it hot? Like hell?
No.
Oh, por Dios, qué bueno.
Buenísimo.
I mean, the feta, the pumpkin, everything's so good. So,
You're ready?
we're ready. As we always say, remember that we do have our tours ready for you for next year. We have the Mediterranean tour and we have the Camino de Santiago from Porto to Santiago. Check on our website, travelingsteps.es. There is where you're going to find all the information about the tours for next year.
Yeah, if you make this, send us a picture.
We love to see your pictures, everybody. So thank you very, very much for joining us this weekend. Well, have a great Sunday.
See you next Sunday. Or maybe in one of our tours. Who knows?
It will be amazing. Thank you very much. We love you all.
Take care.
Have a good way. Bye-bye.